Calavita's products are manufactured by trusted Calavita certified suppliers. Our strict quality assurance procedures ensure that our contract manufacturers meet our top standards. Once delivered, these ingredients undergo extensive quality tests to make sure they meet our rigorous quality and purity standards. Products are tested upon arrival to the state-of-the-art manufacturing facility, tested again through the blend process, and finally through the finished good process. Unlike GMP, CGMP requires testing of each and every batch of raw materials as well as the finished product at every stage of the manufacturing process. This is why Calavita holds a long-standing commitment to CGMP. It means we use the most up-to-date, state-of-the-art technology and systems to prevent errors, mix-ups, and contamination. Every batch of every Calavita product meets the highest possible standards for quality, safety, and effectiveness. Almost 30 years of Calavita's history and reputation dictates that we meet and exceed our customers' expectations.